Okay, in Informatica, for example, if we have this cluster environment, grid environment, okay, we have just assume we have four nodes in this environment. Okay, we should run the environment is handling 1,000 jobs. Okay, so if you simply say, if you don't know how we cannot run these 1,000 jobs manually, right? Based on you, this job will need to run on this node, this job need to run on this node, like that we cannot define. Okay, and moreover, if you ignore like if you are not giving any inputs at the time, these thousands jobs will run on master gateway only. This nodes will be on rest. This will not, tasks will not assign to remaining nodes. To avoid that, what they defined dispatch modes. Okay, there are three types of dispatch modes. Okay, one is metric based, round robin, and adaptive. Okay, so first we'll discuss about adaptive. If you select our dispatch mode is adaptive, if you are running, if you are running your domain in adaptive mode, how it will assign tasks? We have 1,000 tasks. We are selected our dispatch mode is adaptive. In that case, it will check the CPU status of this all servers. For example, it is occupied 70%. Okay, it is occupied 10%, and it is occupied 40%. It is occupied 5%. Okay, now if you give more work to this master gateway, if you give more work to this primary node, what will happen? The CPU utilization will go up, and there are chances to shut down this node because of high CPU utilization. Okay, and anyway, if you give this work to node 2, okay, at that case, it has more CPU. Still 90% of CPU is free, so it can run. It has 60% of CPU. It can handle some load. It has 90% 5% of CPU. Okay, so it has more capacity to run jobs. So in this case, the adaptive mode will consider the CPU utilization of this current CPU utilization of this nodes, and it will assign tasks. If it will consider this 70%, how it will give less work of this node, it will give more work for this node, and it will give some work, like it will, if it is up to 90%, it will give to this node, and it will give more work to this last worker node. Okay, clear, right? It will consider the current CPU utilization of this all nodes. Based upon availability of CPU, it will release the tasks on this all available nodes. Okay, this is the concept of adapt. Okay, so you need to define that option under domain properties, adapt. Okay, and one more is metric based. Okay, if you select our dispatch mode is metric based, how it will work? Okay, we have 1,000 jobs. If you select our dispatch mode is metric based, what it will do, it will consider the threshold capacity of this all nodes. Threshold capacity means it will consider all hardware resources like RAM, CPU, and also disk space and processor. Okay. For example, it has the capacity to lift 70 kg. Okay. It has capacity to lift 10 kg. It has capacity to lift 40 kg. It has capacity to lift 5 kg. Okay. Now it will consider the capacity. It will consider RAM, hardware, processor, CPU, and also disk space. It will give. So it has capacity to do work. So it will give task more work to this node. Okay. So if it is giving more than 70 kgs means what will happen? It will get down. Okay. So it has capacity to do lift 10 kgs capacity, 10 kgs only. If you give more kgs weight, what it will do? It will get down. Same way, it will consider for this remaining cell. Okay. It will consider RAM, CPU, processor, and also disk space of server, and it will give the better it will find out, right, out of these four nodes which is more active. So we'll assign task to thus available nodes. Okay, this is about metric based. Okay, and we have one more. And we have one more option called round robin. Round robin. If you select your dispatch mode is round robin, okay. Now what will happen? We have 1000 tasks. It will assign 5 tasks to this node, 6 to 10 this node, 11 to 15 this node, 16 to 20 this node. Okay. And again it 21 comes to here. It will not consider CPU, how much capacity it has, nothing. It will throw a burden on the node. If, for example, in that scenario, if our master gateway is consuming 90% of CPU, okay, if you give some 5 more tasks to master gateway means it will get down. It will ignore those all things. Justly it will simply it will throw 5 jobs on that master gateway. That's it. If you are dying also, no problem. That's not, it will not consider. Okay. So 100% of clients will not suggest this round robin option. They'll use adaptive and metric based. Okay. Clear, guys, about this topic?
Yeah, no.
Any doubts about adaptive, metric based, and round robin?
No, no.
All right. Okay. Then we'll move to another topics. Here we need to discuss about next thing is database properties. Okay. Under database properties, we'll be able to see on which database we have configured our domain, like database type, what is the database schema name, what is the host name is local host. Okay, what is the port number of that node, and also what is the service name of that node. Okay, if you someone asks about how we'll get to know the database domain details, means you need to select the domain from admin, and if you go to domain database properties, you will get to know the domain database type, and also domain database schema name, and also database host name, port number, connection string information. And we have one more way. If some in some scenarios, if our administration console page is not working, just as it, okay, then how we'll get to know the database information? To find out that, we have one file from Informatica home directory. Informatica home directory means the place which we have installed Informatica, and also ISP config, here the node meta.xml file. Okay, if you open that, okay, if we don't have access to open that, we'll show you guys later. Okay, so in this file also will get the same information, same database host name, port number, database schema name, and also many things we'll be able to see under domain property. Okay. Okay, guys. Actually, I'm not feeling well today, so I'm planning to close this call as soon as possible. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. We'll discuss.
Yeah, yesterday we installed like our admin console right now.
Sorry.
Yeah, yesterday we installed this admin console page and all right. So
Yesterday we
regarding this installation, yesterday we configure some
okay, domain and all.
in
Okay.
domain and all. So in that Power Center repository manager, so
Yeah.
we disconnect this what we have connected previous database right now. So again we'll create one user. So whenever we
Okay.
trying to connect with that what we create that user, it's not connecting now. It's asking for administrator only.
Okay. Can you please share your screen? I'm making you host.
Yes. Now you're able to see now.
Yeah, we're able to see.
So I created one user like SBI
Folder.
folder. Yes, folder I
Okay.
created. So
Okay.
I will disconnect this what we created previously.
Okay.
So I'll try with this one.
Okay. Wait.
So it's throwing this error.
Did you created that user in admin console? SBI user.
Yes. One check.
Can you please open that admin console once?
So this admin console. Right?
Sorry.
This one. No. See, I created.
Okay. No, we are not able to see.
Oh, 1 second. Now.
You have created, but you didn't given permissions. See, red symbol is there, right side.
Okay.
Okay. Instead of that, what we'll do? Go to privileges option.
So we
On domain, you have given some privileges. Expand it. Privileges. Okay. On domain, you have given everything. Okay.
Okay.
For developers will not give permissions on domain. Wait. Don't close. For developers will not give permissions on domain. They will be able to access. If you can able, will be able to access SBI using with that SBI. Will be able to access admin console also now. That's how you given privileges. If you go down, there is one more option called Power Center Repository Service.
Yes.
Give these permissions. Okay. Now try. You got it right?
Yes, sir. I got it.
We're not able to see your screen.
One
Please.
second. Okay.
Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
That concept will come later. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, right?
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Okay. Any questions, please? Thanks, Rahul.
Thanks, sir.
Since you are doing some hard work.
No, we both like we 3 members are gathering and we are doing on this one.
Great,
Not
Appa.
only me.
Great job. That efforts I need also.
Yes, sir. We'll do now. We are waiting for this thing.
You guys are observing, I think. I've gave job for so many guys. Still they are eating my head. Why? Because they didn't
Yes. The practice need now for this one and all.
practice. Practice is important. Job. If you are giving phone to means, that's it. Job is confirmed. Okay.
Okay.
Don't consider those things. That's my responsibility. But practice is your responsibility.
Yes.
If you are going without practice means you will be in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now. Take
Can
care.
we top up? Thank you all.